This is a Read After Me book. Cute the Koala and the Rainbow Slide, written by Vicky Jardine. This is Cute the Koala. He's climbing a tree. He is climbing a very tall tree. He climbed and climbed and climbed. All the way up to the sky. He climbed into a cloud. Looking down, he could see his home. He began to cry as he wondered, how would he get back? Just then, it started to rain. Cute started crying even more. The sun came out and a rainbow appeared in the sky nearby. Cute had an idea, and he felt happy again. Then he slid down the rainbow back to his home in the tree. Suddenly, Cute realized he was safe in his tree, and he wondered if it was all a dream.